All right, we're anchored. All right, this is where I think I'm gonna spend the night tonight. The flag right there, flagpole. All right, it says arrive alarm. You're a little too late, buddy. Been here already. Man, that storm is moving real fast. You can feel the wind. Woo. Oh, that's the lightning right there. I already lower my antenna. Very windy. But here, I'm sheltered from that little cave there. So the wind is coming from this side. That's a bad spot there. This water here looks very much as Bimini does. Very clear. Looks like if the wind stays from that side, it's going to be coming this side, as you can see. It's a little bed of grass, and under it, there could be some lobsters. But lobster season is out to the end of this month. I'm just gonna let that squall pass by before I do anything else. But here, it's really nice. While I wait for this bad weather just to pass by, I'm gonna get something for lunch. I'm not gonna cook nothing for lunch. I'm just gonna get a beer and get some chips. I had a good breakfast earlier today, so now I'm not operating the boat no more, so I can have a cold one. All right, perfect docking right here. I'm gonna get off the island now. All right, let's go explore. Wow, this sand here is like pink sand. Beautiful, and the sand looks amazing. Okay, got a nice conch here. I gotta open it up. This is gonna be an appetizer today. Get a hammer. There it is. Nice. It's nice right there. Good piece of meat. All right, I'm gonna put this in the cooler and gonna clean it up later. Well, I already have one conch for appetizer tonight. It looks like that's a giant turtle right here. Yeah, you can tell that's the turtle. That's a turtle's nest right there. Yep, she dug all this right here. And that's where the eggs are. There's another one right here. Look at this. That's the turtle's nest right there, right here. If you see some turtle egg nests, don't walk over it. Look how jacked those rocks are. What? That bird almost attacked me. All right, bird. It's okay. I think he's defending his nest. It's gotta be a nest somewhere. Joe Big Daddy Flemington, August 1929. Let's go get some big ones. Don't bite me. Crazy bird. That's a beautiful stone. This crazy bird's territorial. Whoa, look at this. It's awesome. That's a nice little beach there. Funny part is there's no way to get down. There's all jacked limestone all the way around. Wow, beautiful. And not like you want to swim there. That is real dangerous. But it'll be nice to get down. It's real dangerous there. And the sand is, looks spectacular there. I guess you can get off. But I mean, look at how rough it is to get back on it. I mean, you got to be like cliffhanger or bring a rope. Yeah, that's kind of rugged there. All right, now we're going to take a shortcut. Hope I don't get bit by an iguana. Look at that, how beautiful. Let's check out this way. This limestone rocks, very jagged. Can't run there at nighttime. Definitely at nighttime you can't. A lot of birds. There's a coconut tree over there. But it's too young. I don't think it's gonna have any coconuts. The water is perfect. Great temperature. Love it. Oh, look at those big crabs. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. This is the one I eat. I mean, look for the big ones. This is the ones I eat. There's plenty here. I'm gonna look for the big ones. See if I see like this one right here. This one's big. There we go. Got one. See if I can catch enough to make a nice meal out of it. Look how many there are here. There's plenty here. Wow, look at this big one. This one's a nice one. This is a nice one. Always scavenging for food. We'll go over here. Nice. I'll take this one. I'm only going to take the big ones. Now look at this one right here. This is the big one. There's always something to eat around here, so never gonna go hungry. You can always find food here. Look at this one, look. As I unplug it, it's water coming out of it. That's how they stay hydrated. That's a small one. And you see all these little ones right here? All those will become big ones later on. I got plenty of escargot goats. Alright, I'm gonna go check out that coconut tree. That's one thing I'm not gonna get. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be no coconuts. But we're gonna check it out. Look how little that coconut tree is. Just a little coconut tree. I'll come back in about 5 years and I'll get some coconuts out of it. But for now, it's not gonna be no coconuts. Check this out. Looks like the water climbs all the way to here, to this side. It looks like somebody died here. From that anchor that I just saw there. They did like a memorial there for the sailor that died there, it looks like. This is such a remote place. So awesome to come here and be here by yourself. Nobody's here. Such an awesome beach. The sand is just incredible. Water temperature is just incredible. There's a lot of little bugs. You see them on my face? A lot of little bugs. They just like flies, little ones. They don't bite you, they don't do nothing. It's just annoying. That's what it is. Well, just by coming off this island, I got some escargots. I'm gonna make it with garlic, butter. I also got a conch right here at the beach. You can believe it? Didn't have to go far. It was right here at the beach. As I was anchoring here in the front, I saw this conch alive because there's a lot of conch here, and people have been throwing the dead conch, empty conch, and that's not good because the other conch don't like to see that. So discard it differently. Like the one I have here, this one, I am going to place it up here so that way it doesn't scare the other conch. Look back here. There's a conch cemetery back here. You see back there? Look how many conches are back there. Let me go back here and see what's back here. Well, somebody's been drinking the good liquor. Look at this. You hear the lightning? Lightning is not far from here. I feel like Castaway in here. Again, these little flies don't do nothing to you. Just annoying. But you get used to it. Alright, it's time to go back to the boat. As much as I love this, I got some fritters on my pocket. I gotta unload. I'm gonna call my boat back in. There you go. My boat is coming to pick me up. Look at that. Man, it's more thundering over there. Alright, got plenty. A lot of lightning over there. Way over there in that storm, right with the Walker's Cay, right over there. A lot of thundering. Wow, that's thundering right there. Such a beautiful place, and thundering not too far away. Look how clear the water here is. Look at that, you can see the grass area there. Well, right now it looks like it's low tide. It's 4 feet under the beach there. You can see the water line there. So later this water will go up. And I should be fine here. Should have no problems here. And if a big storm comes in, I can always take off the anchor and just go farther that way. But the closer I am here, the better it is, because you see that sandbar right there? It protects me from the swells. Look at the swells from the ocean over there. On the other side of that little sandbar, you can see the ocean waves. And that's why you see the little waves right there next to the sandbar. And here you don't see them. And you see them over there. That means that there's swells coming from the Atlantic on the other side. So staying on the side of this cay here. Wow, look at this. It's incredible. It's beautiful waters here. And the good thing, once I got off the island, I was able to retrieve a conch and some escargots. That's right, goats, escargots. And I picked it from the rocks there. They're pretty good size. And first I'm gonna boil them, and then I'm gonna make conch fritters too. This will be delicious. So at nighttime, this is gonna look awesome. Look at that, it's just incredible. There's not a soul within 5 miles. I got tired fishing. I already got several fish. I lost a lot of fish due to they were so big. It could have been sharks. Look at that barracuda right there. She knows I got fish for her. Hey buddy, come over here. Big barracuda. Yep, there she goes. She don't want to come this way. Terrified of me. Probably because I eat everything that walks on here or swims. Because people don't come here that often, because this is very far. This is about 150 to 160 miles away from Florida. A lot of people don't want to navigate that long. I'm gonna boil this escargot with some salt water. I'm not leaving with water, that way they stay alive. Escargots for later. And now I'm gonna clean. Look at this backyard right here. Beautiful to clean my fish. All right, and this is the conch that I gotta clean up too. This is a black snapper. And I got this little one here. Then I got this behemoth right here. Look at that. Beautiful sized fish. Love it. Actually, I'm gonna cook both of this today. I'm gonna leave this one for later. I would hate to throw away the head, but in this case, I'm gonna have to. You hear that lightning? It's not good. Beautiful. Somebody told me to break the spine of the fish so it sinks. Let's see if it's true. I doubt it, but we're gonna try. Well, what do you know? If you break the spine, it does go down. Well, something new every day. It did go down. I thought a viewer of mine was just pulling my leg, but it's the truth. Alright, I broke the spine of this one too. Yep, it does sink. What do you know? I did not know that. Thank you, the viewer that told me that, to break the spine of the fish. Thank you. I always try everything. Everything my viewers tell me to try, I try it once. And I learned that way. And also, we share it with others. We teach them also. So not just me, you taught everybody else watching this channel how to do this. So thank you. And thank you to everybody that helps out in this channel. As you know, Adam the Reef does not know everything. Yeah, this black snapper has a lot of meat. You can tell. I have only caught black snapper once in my lifetime. This is the second time. I hear some thunderstorm over there. I don't like thunderstorms because of the lightning. Oh, check it out. You can see fish there. Yellow tails eating the fish. All right, look at this beautiful fillet. Beautiful. That's the black snapper and also yellow eye snapper. So this is gonna be dinner today. And I'm gonna clean this one to take back home. So I'm gonna take the guts out. Take the guts out is very important. Okay, that's it. The fish is ready to be transported. Drain it out. Well, you're gonna see the sharks. The sharks are gonna come in. All this stuff, you can't eat this. Well, you can, but I won't. You can eat it. That's the eyes and the mouth, I believe. So it's all clean. That is as much as I can take out. Beautiful. I have a meat tenderizer hammer. I'm gonna hit it with that hammer, soften it. All right, I got a meat tenderizer right here, but I forgot the cutting table. But this will do. The meat tenderizer hammer breaks down the meat, so it's not as strong. Because it is a muscle, so look at that, how it came out. Beautiful. Let me try a little piece. Incredible. Nice. Try it raw. It's delicious. All right, you see how it came out with the meat tenderizer hammer? Now I'm gonna lightly batter it, fry it. Oh boy, it's gonna be great. All right, I'll put this back in the cooler. All right, everything is ready. Got my fish filleted, my fish cleaned, that I'm gonna take home. And also the conch has been cleaned, and I'm gonna make a nice conch fritter. It's gonna be like a steak. It's gonna be incredible. And A little appetizer. Can't go wrong with having some escargots. I'm gonna clean up, take a shower, and start cooking. It's lightning over there. Guys, I'm gonna clean up now, take a shower, and I'll continue this trip on the next video. And if you did like it, please don't forget to thumb it up. Thank you for watching, and always navigate safe.